Hi and good morning everyone. With me, Teacher Siti again. So, are you feeling good today? I hope all of you are doing well at home. So today we are going to continue our English class. Today's topic is learning words with the A sounds. Do you know what is the A sounds? Okay, let's begin now. Okay, look at the charts here. These are CVC words with the ending at. Let's read together with me. Cat, cat. Bat, bat. Very good. Now, fat, fat. Mat, mat. Excellent. Hat, hat. Pat, pat. Rat, rat. Set, set. Vet, vet. Okay, good job everyone. Don't worry, okay? We are going to do this together. Let's go through one by one. Ta-da! Okay, repeat after me. Cat, cat. Good job. What is this? Bat, bat. Very good. Now, fat, fat. Good. What is this? Okay, it's a mat. Mat. Do you have a floor mat in front of your toilet? Go and check after this, okay? Yeah. Pet, pet. If you want to know, this is how someone pets you from the back. Can you see the hand behind her? Sat, sat. So look at the picture. She sat on a bench. Good. Okay, rat, rat. Oh no, run, run. The rat is coming. This is rat. Okay? Excellent. Okay, that's all for now. I hope you enjoy with the video and do some exercise. Till we meet again on the next lesson. Goodbye everyone.